our criticism is going to be constructive. If I am criticizing this book, it is not that I am coming for TRS or BRS, sir. No, sir. I am just trying to correct this. From last 25 years, sir, I stand and I scream and I shout and I say that for God's sake, for heaven's sake, give us the right figures. But the bureaucrats sitting there who are supposed to be very learned, very educated, they fail to give proper information. They fail to give us the right figures. And action should be initiated on those such bureaucrats who mislead this house. We are led by the information provided by the bureaucrats and the department. Let it be the Honorable Chief Minister, let it be the leader of the opposition, let it be any floor leaders, let it be any legislatures. We follow the book and what has been tabled in the House. So let us make sure that whatever is being tabled is accurate and right. And any time if it is found to be wrong, an action will be initiated against those officers. This is what I want, sir. This is what I want. But it is so sad, sir. When I go further ahead also, sir, again when I go on the outstanding debt trend, sir, page number 18, what is it saying, sir, from the year 2014, 15, 15, 16 se lekar 23, 24 tak, sir. Sir, this table is saying that this source is RBI. The source is RBI. My source is this. My source is this. And my source is CAG. What does the CAG say, sir? Sir, for every year, here it is saying 2014 and 14-15, 72, 658. So 14-15, sir, it is 83,845, sir. Net increase of 22,135. This is 16.06%, sir. 14 and 15, sir, here it is saying 90,000, sir, but here with the information which I have is saying 93,115, sir. Sir, the information which I gathered is not my information, sir. Sir, I just downloaded it from CAG site, sir. Kindly go through, sir. With all responsibility, I'm saying this, sir. Sir, if we have to see 16 and 17, sir, this book says 16 and 17, this book says 81,821, sir. But as per my information, sir, the actual is 1,27,828, sir. Sir, 17 and 18, 1,60,269 is in the book. And CAG says 1,27,000, sir. 17 and 18, sir. 17 and 18, 1,60,000. The CAG says 1,52,000 and change, sir. 18 and 19, that white paper says 190, sir. The CAG says 1.75 change, sir. And 19 and 20, if you have 20 and 21, sir, the outstanding debt in this white paper is saying 2,71,000, sir. 2021. The CAG is saying 2,44,019, sir. Sir, again 21 and 22, 3,14,000 this book is saying. Well, the CAG is saying 2,83,000, sir. So now I just, sir, if I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. I am a person who wants to be corrected. I want to be corrected, sir. Sir, I want to know which book should I follow, which figures should I see. I will see the same figures, sir. CAG देखना है, CAG देखूंगा. नहीं, ये book आपकी सही है, तो मैं इसको देखूंगा. Sir, again, if we have to go, sir, on the page number 29, sir, expenditures on salary and pension, sir. Salary and pension, sir. What is this book saying, sir, and what is the CAG saying? The CAG, आप देखते हैं, sir, for the year 18 and 19, the total salaries and pensions are 32,378.19. And what does the white paper says? 38,210. Sir, CAG says for the year 19 and 20, total salaries and pension 34,289. The white paper says 39,147. For the year 2021, salaries and pensions, the CAG says 36,161. This book says 41,819. Sir, the CAG says for 21-22, 44,403.08. The white paper says 48,809. Sir, 22-23, the CAG says 51,082. The white paper says 55,925. So I just want to know who's right. Please correct me, who's right. अब ये पूरे इसमें सर it took so much of time to go through to study. और अब सवाल ये है, हम अगर बहस करें और हम अगर किसी की नाकामी का जिक्र करें तो कैसे करें, कौन से फिगर्स को लेके करें. सो गोइंग